Today, we will learn 15 essential vocabulary words and phrasal verbs for social media actions and habits. Let's get started. To scroll. This means to move down your screen to see more content. For example, I spent an hour scrolling through my feed this morning. Feed. This is the main page where you see updates and photos from people you follow. For example, my feed is full of cooking videos. To engage. This means to interact with a post by liking, commenting, or sharing it. For example, brands love content that encourages followers to engage. Engagement rate. This is the percentage of people who see your post and interact with it. For example, high engagement rates are great for YouTube channels. Algorithm. This is the hidden system or rules a platform uses to decide which posts you see first. For example, the algorithm keeps showing me travel videos. To go viral. This happens when a video or picture becomes incredibly popular and spreads across the internet very quickly. For example, her dance video went viral overnight. To tag. This means to attach a person's name or profile to a picture or post. For example, tag your best friend in the comments below. Handle. This is your username on social media, usually starting with the @ symbol. For example, what is your Instagram handle? Bio. Short for biography. This is the brief description under your profile picture. For example, put the link to your website in your bio. DM. This stands for direct message, which is a private message sent on social media. For example, send me a DM if you have any questions. To binge watch. This means to watch many episodes of a television show or many videos one after another. For example, I binge watched an entire series on Netflix last weekend. Clickbait. This refers to titles or images that are exaggerated or misleading just to force you to click on them. For example, that video title was pure clickbait. Meme. A funny image, video, or piece of text that is copied and spread rapidly by internet users. For example, he sent me a hilarious meme about working from home. Influencer. A person with the power to affect the buying decisions of others because of their authority or knowledge on social media. For example, fitness influencers often promote healthy snacks. Trending. This describes a topic or hashtag that is currently popular or being talked about by thousands of people. For example, artificial intelligence is trending everywhere right now. Excellent work! Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Keep practicing. Try using these words in your daily online life, and I will see you in the next lesson.